YouTubers. Today we going to the Ryko softgloss XS2 we visit. It's 108. 108. Dad, I want to see the college meeting on the board. Look, it's all the washes in use. I will film an outside view. Come on, Dad. Shut up.
No, don't tell me shut up.
So wash.
I'm not filming outside view.
That was somebody else in the car washes. It's a wash menu.
Is that enough of the menu? Okay.
So, we're filming somebody else in the car wash right now. Now just to wait. Please wait. The car wash is in use.
You want $10 wash?
I want a $10. Yes. We got the alternate $10. My wash is busy. Busy wash. So filming outside view. When there's somebody else inside the car wash, Dad.
Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you. When the wash is ready, please pull forward.
Yeah, wash and use. Please wait. Hey, I can't see that.
Give you a better picture
Wipers off. Better picture.
of that car wash.
Yes. Filming outside view. When somebody else is. Oh look, lava wax. Hot wax. Only been a hot wax last week. Print receipt.
I don't want to print a receipt.
This is a hot wax. That's a ryko. I was filming somebody else in the car wash. I was filming somebody else in the car wash, Dad. That's fine. I was filming somebody else in the car wash.
That's fine.
So, you say, shut up.
Oh, I didn't say that. I meant you can't film the outside view. You can't get outside of the car to film.
Nope, just watch inside of them.
Right.
Just watch and film.
Exactly.
Ryko.
How do you know this is a ryko?
Yes, it is. It's a type of ryko.
It's wash and
Exxon
run.
wash and run. It's a ryko shape. Shape is ryko.
Oh, okay. It doesn't say ryko on it though.
It says that on the side.
On the side it does.
Yes, it said on the side.
Oh, okay.
It's waxing still. Still wax.
It's doing a rinse.
This shape
It's about
is.
to get a
Look at
spot for your rinse.
This college type is ryko.
Okay.
With red
I believe
brushes.
you. I believe you.
It's only went till last week. Got a $12 college. I got a $10 college today. Second selection. Exxon. It's only been a long time since a while. Haven't been a long time. It's a new pay machine, Dad. C-Start
Yeah.
pay machine.
Looks like it's pretty new.
It's a new pay machine called C-Start. C-Start. There's a USA picture on it.
Waiting for the green light. Okay. Oops. I'm gonna wait a little bit more.
The wash is ready.
No undercarriage.
Oh, there is undercarriage. That's weird. There is undercarriage. Undercarriage wash. Ryko. put the car in the park.
I want to be able to see it in the back. Get it done in the back when it gets there. And watch the brushes in the back.
Yes. Waco panel cleavage. Caliso.
There they go. Race.
It says waxy.
Mm-hmm.
That's waxy.
Just not the hot foam wax.
And the alternate plus got the hot wax. So now it's waxy. A long college video. Stop spinning.
It's about free rinse.
That I filmed this outside view of this college. I filmed this outside view from somebody else in the college. They filmed it in the window, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
So I filmed it inside the window. And the dryer's not dropped down. That's a vintage dryer. Here's a Ryko model, a Trust Pro dryer. It's a Ryko Trust Pro dryer. Here's the sign. Here's the sign. Oh look! Thank you. Drive safely. Please come again. Dad.
It's okay.
We got 1 minute. It is nobody's in there yet. Nobody in the car wash. Need to dry on the back, Dad. Get dry on the back. Dad, need to dry on the good back. Get dry on the back.
Get all dry, don't worry.
Stop. Please stop. Get dry.
Don't let it dry.
No,
I gotta watch the time too.
I will watch the time, Dad. Stop. Please stop. So in the back's and then dry. Don't drive. Stop. Stop. Please stop. Drive. Need to back up a little more.
No time. We're about out of dryer.
It's idling car wash. Just idling. This car is just now idling. Ryko is idling. All done.
Time's up.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.